The 1960s were a groovy time, known for social, musical, and artistic change, and probably for good reason, considering that same time period also coined the term the psychedelic era. That lifestyle would change rapidly, though, when on October 24, 1968, the US government banned the use of psilocybin and psilocin, stating that the substances were said to have a high potential for abuse, no currently accepted medical use, and a lack of accepted safety. Now, while psychedelics can be used to hallucinate, the truth is that these drugs have been used for thousands of years by various cultures for religious and healing purposes. And in recent years, scientific research has shown that they could have incredible potential in treating a variety of mental health disorders, from depression to PTSD. And at the forefront of these advancements is an organization that is dedicated to studying the therapeutic potential of psychedelic drugs, the Multidisciplinary Association for Psychedelic Studies, or MAPS. MAPS was founded in 1986 by Rick Doblin, with the goal of developing medical, legal, and cultural context for people to benefit from the careful uses of psychedelics. Since then, MAPS has become the leading organization in psychedelic research, with a particular focus on the clinical use of MDMA, also known as ecstasy, for the treatment of PTSD. One example of MAPS's current work is its Phase 3 clinical trials. MAPS Public Benefit Corporation announced a few months ago the results of its multi-site Phase 3 study on MDMA-assisted therapy for post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. The study, called MAP2, met its pre-specified primary and key secondary endpoints, paving the way for the submission of a new drug approval application by MAPS PBC in the third quarter of 2023. With this breakthrough, MDMA-assisted therapy could potentially become a new breakthrough therapy for treating individuals with PTSD, a patient population that has often suffered for years. However, although the U.S. Food and Drug Administration granted MDMA-assisted therapy breakthrough therapy designation in 2017, the safety and efficacy of this therapy have not yet been established. The randomized, double-blind MAP2 study enrolled 121 participants with PTSD, reflecting the demographics of those living with the disorder in the United States, with people of color representing more than half of those enrolled in the study. But MAP's work isn't just limited to PTSD. They're also studying the potential of psychedelics in treating other mental health disorders, such as depression, anxiety, and addiction. For example, a study conducted by MAPS found that psilocybin, the active ingredient in magic mushrooms, could be effective in reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety in patients with terminal illnesses. This research could have a profound impact on the mental health field, which is in desperate need of new treatment options. Current treatments, such as antidepressants and therapy, don't work for everyone, and some people don't have access to them due to cost or location. Some options can also be very addictive, and certain patients who have a history of addiction may not feel comfortable taking such medications. Psychedelic-assisted therapies could therefore offer an alternative, potentially more effective treatment option that could be available to a wider range of patients. The truth is, with MAP's work in the field of psychedelic research, they are paving the way for a future where psychedelic-assisted therapies are a legal and widely available treatment option, creating the potential to revolutionize the way we treat mental health disorders. So what are your thoughts? Do you believe that psychedelic-assisted therapy could be the future of medicine? Or do you think that psychedelics are a drug better left with the flower children in the 60s? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you're always in the know.